are there? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait, how do you see 5? 1, 2, 3, 4.
And there's one right there. 5.
1, 2.
There's one right there. 2. And there's one right there. Somewhere there.
Okay, there's only 2. 1, 2, and then 2 over there. 4.
And then there.
Where?
There and there. There and there. See? There's one on the tree right there. And then there's one right there that's fighting with the other species. And there's one right there behind.
Oh, could you get it fighting?
Huh? Why are they fighting? Oh, right there. Right. They're not really lip smacking.
Yeah, I didn't check it. Posturing, no.
They're not
Swelling,
really
no.
grooming.
No. Cowering, no. Sideways running, no.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, actually,
There was a little bit.
pouting, no. Boot sharing or feeding, yes.
Yes.
Wrestling, no. But there was like,
There was rough
Hitting,
tumble
hitting.
and play. Just
where's rough tumble?
you can write it, I think. Just write rough tumble and play.
It's good that your animal's like right here.
I know. Just right next to each other. We don't really need to walk
You
much.
like turn around. There's no, nothing else really. Biting food,
Yeah.
holding hands, limbs, body.
No, not
That's
really.
it. Was there eating in here?
Eating, yeah.
Yeah.
They were
That's
eating
about it.
food.
Portrait of your primate.
So you have to draw it.
Can you take a photo of it? Like a really close.